Hello, Rhode Island deaf community and hard of hearing community members. You know about the booster that is now being available? Well, it's been available and I'm happy to give you the following information. The booster will be offered by Pfizer at the Rhode Island School for the Deaf. There will be interpreters provided and closed captioning. Full communication accessibility will be available. The date will be Saturday, November 20th of 2021. The time frame will be 8:30 to 11:30 in the morning. Remember, 8:30 to 11:30 in the morning. Who is eligible to come get that booster? There are different categories. The first category will be all of those who have received their vaccines, whether it be Moderna or Pfizer. But you have to keep in mind that you have to have 2 full doses before you're eligible for the booster. 65 and above. Okay, so those who are 65 and above will be the first category. The second category of people will be those who are 18 and above who have underlying medical conditions. For example, heart issues, diabetes, kidney issues, and other ailments for 18 and above. Now, the third category is still 18 and above, but they are considered at high risk environments settings in terms of where they work. For example, if they work in an area such as a hospital or in a nursing home, or they're involved at the school or at the university where there's a congregation of many people that they're interacting with, they are recommended also to go get their booster as well. So those are the 3 categories. Now, the only booster that is being offered is for Pfizer. However, those who have received the Moderna and the Johnson & Johnson are welcome to come get the booster as well. Okay, this is what's known as the mix and match program for the booster, meaning that if you've received your 2 vaccines from Moderna, you can go get your Pfizer booster as well. That's a mix and match. Or if you got your 1 vaccine that was from Johnson & Johnson, you are also eligible to get the Pfizer booster. Now, the Rhode Island Department of Health doesn't want to offer the 3 varieties of booster brands at the same location because then it becomes very confusing. So they are offering only 1, which is the Pfizer. Now, if you prefer, the Moderna booster or the Johnson & Johnson booster, then you can go get that booster on your own by going online to look at the different facilities where they may be offered. Or you can go to your local pharmacy, such as CVS or Walgreens or Walmart or Stop and Shop. They have the Moderna booster available there. You would also have to make your appointment to go there. Same it goes with Johnson & Johnson. Now, the Pfizer and Moderna shots, if you only got 1 shot, you can't come for your booster. It is required that if you got the Moderna, you must have completed the full vaccine, with the exception of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, which only required 1 vaccine only. You must have at least had your Johnson & Johnson at least 2 months before you can come. Now, the Pfizer and Moderna, you cannot get your booster unless it's been 6 months since your 2nd dose. Okay? But if it's been less than 6 months, you would not be able to be eligible to come get your booster. Now, there is a flyer that I will be posting to show where they'll show the 2 different boosters. You look at these 2 requirements, and then you'll have a better understanding of what the requirements are. Now, don't just take my advice because I am not a physician. However, I encourage any of you, if you have any doubts, consult your local physician, your doctor, because your doctor knows best in terms of what your health record is, your history, and what your body conditions are, and what is recommended for you. Okay, and your physician may recommend a different brand besides the Pfizer. He may decide that you should get a Moderna booster if you had Moderna vaccine, or a Johnson & Johnson, etc. So let your physician make the decision for you. Now, if you need any questions for clarification, I'd be happy to answer anything. Feel free to contact me. My video phone number is as follows. Or if you prefer to email me, you can email me at the following email address: And one more thing, you must make an appointment online. It is not a walk-in. Okay, so on the flyer, it'll say click here. That is the link that you should click on so that you can reserve your time slot. If you're not sure of how this is going to work, you can contact me, or you can call the Rhode Island Department of Health directly, because they have an information hotline where they can basically have a help desk where someone can answer your questions, and they can make the reservation for you at the following link. Thank you. And I hope to see you there on November the 20th.